Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making spicy poached sliced pork, or as we can call it, 水煮肉片. Just look at these tender pork slices soaking in their rich spicy broth, topped with chili, peppercorn, and a sizzling oil drizzle. This one is gonna fire up your appetite. First, no oil, no water in the wok. Add the dried chilies and toast them gently until they are almost burnt. That kind of half-charred smell. Take them out. Now add the Sichuan peppercorns. Stir them until they are dry and fragrant. Then take them out as well. Transfer everything to a cutting board and roughly chop or crush them. Don't go too fine. A little texture is perfect. Now for the meat, I'm using pork leg. Season the meat with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Mix well. Then add half an egg white. Mix again. And finish with half a tablespoon cornstarch. Give it a good massage and let it sit. This is how we keep the meat super tender. For the veggies, I'm using sliced dried tofu, mung bean sprouts, and baby greens. You don't have to use this exactly. Whatever you've got works fine. For aromatics, just some chopped scallions and minced garlic. Heat oil in the wok. Add a few dried chilies and fry until fragrant. Add the vegetables and stir fry over high heat. Once they soften a bit, season with 1 teaspoon salt. Cook until done. Then transfer them to the bottom of the serving bowl. Heat oil again. Add 1 tablespoon 郫县豆瓣酱 and cook over low heat until the red oil comes out. Add some of the dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, scallions, and ginger. Stir until fragrant. Splash in 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 5 grams oyster sauce. Stir everything together. Then add water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a bit to really pull out all that flavor. If you want, scoop out the spice solids. Turn off the heat, then gently slide in the meat slices. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Turn the heat back up. Once the meat turns color, it's done. Add a little cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup slightly. Now pour everything, meat and soup, right over the vegetables. Top with minced garlic and scallions. Then the chopped chilies and peppercorns. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top and pour the hot oil right over everything. Finish with some fresh cilantro. Wow, no one can resist this. Spicy, numbing, fragrant. This is the kind of dish you finish down to the last drop. Wow, that's it. That's the flavor. So rich, so layered. The pork just melts and the veggies soak up all the goodness. What are you waiting for? Make this and cook a little extra rice, cause this dish will have you going back for second or third. Thanks for watching. See you next time.